Hey guys, it's Heather. Welcome to module number 20 on how to build a six-figure product business. In this video, I help you with ideas for content creation strategies that might help your product or business go viral, improve your search engine optimization so that when people search for certain terms, your website comes up. I stopped running my natural hair business in 2016-17, and to this day, 3 years later, my website is still getting 20,000 hits a month, which is pretty good for a website that does not get updated at all. And it helps me get a little bit of Google ad revenue. So if you are just wanting a few extra ideas to create more and better content for your business, this is the video for you. And if you're liking what you're watching, hit the like button, subscribe, and in these COVID-19 times, share this video with any friend or colleague that is trying to grow or start a business. And if you've got any questions, just tell me below. I answer all questions. Enjoy! Welcome to Module 20 of the Money Spot program. Marketing, Content Creation Strategies. What are the different types of content that you as a business can create? Well, there's blogs. You can write blogs on your website. There's microblogs. An example of a microblog is a tweet. A tweet can be information-rich in itself without being lengthy. You can create videos, pictures, or audio podcasts. That's 5 different types of content you can create. What type of content is most likely to go viral? Images and videos. They have the highest potential of being shared. People like to share things that they find funny, amusing, and sometimes even incredibly sad. If it's easy to consume, for example, in the form of a picture, it's very easy to share. And same for videos. What type of content gets you good SEO ranking? SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization, and it's all about coming up as one of the top links in a Google search or a search in any other engine. Keyword-rich written content, for example, blogs, tweets, and posts on Facebook, are very good for search engine. Ultimately, you need to have both text-based and image-rich content. If a picture is worth 1,000 words, a video is worth 1,000,000. In any given week, you should definitely not only be writing blogs, but you should try to create video content, share pictures, tweet, and when the time is available, create podcasts. How can you get content made for you? Hire freelancers to create content for you via one or more of these websites, or even other websites that you find. Fiverr.com, I personally use for getting images and even some simple videos made. Elance.com and Odesk.com are good for any type of content. And on a weekly basis, you need to create several types of content. If you don't have a plan or strategy for the work, you'll end up not doing it. The best way to get work done for you is to create a weekly schedule, and there's an example weekly schedule in your training manual somewhere near the back. Another good strategy is to do the work in bulk. For example, instead of writing 5 blogs daily, write them all in one afternoon, ideally at a pretty cafe, and load them all to the internet, either immediately with different dates, or upload them one at a time on different days, having pre-written them. Go to your training manual for the content creation strategies that I have for you. So what's the conclusion on content creation? Create more than one type of content for maximum engagement. People's preferences vary. Some people prefer video or images, others blogs, and yet others audio. The more types of content you produce, the more you're likely to capture a wide range of fans. I hope you enjoyed Module 20, and I'll see you in Module 21 on content syndication strategies. Bye! If you've enjoyed what you've watched, please like and subscribe, but please share this video with any friend or relative that is trying to start or grow a product business. If you've got any questions at all for me, please ask them below, and just look in the description box for resources, including the training manual, which includes all the content of this course. Thanks for watching.